look at the wheel. Go look at the wheel. Yeah. Look at the wheel.
It's so loud!
Another day, another vlog. I just cut the grass. I'm a little bit nasty, but what we're gonna do today is we're gonna clean up the Duramax just a little bit. I'm not gonna go into like full detail because I'm gonna pay somebody to do it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna give it a quick wash because you guys saw it. It's pretty dirty. Previous owner, he does have like a business, and he did use it for his business, and the reason why he sold it was because he didn't want to mess up a nice truck. It's dirty, like he drives on like dirt roads and stuff like that. It needs a good cleaning. So we're just gonna do a quick cleanup, and finally I'm gonna ship out the headlights to the winner. I'm so sorry it took about a week or two, but I do appreciate your patience. After that, I'm gonna swing by Dealer Options because I might get new tires for the Duramax because they're really low on tread, and I found a nail in the driver's side tire. So yeah, we may have to get new tires. And I don't know, I'm still debating on whether if I want to go 14 wides. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I may go with 14 wides, and what is it, 355s, the ones that are like, that measure up to about 33s, but 15 inches wide, the Nittos. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if I should keep that lift and just go wider, or go wider, bigger tires, and go with the bigger lift. Maybe 9-inch McGoy's lift, or they actually do sell a premium SS kit that's 9 to 12 inch, kind of like Cognito. I may go with that option too. I kind of want to make that truck bigger than my last one, but part of me kind of want to keep it at 6 inches because that's very practical.
That's what she said!
And it's really nice not having to like jump up in the truck all the time, especially if that's your daily. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and let's get today started. Gotta wash the truck, and then we're gonna run to the post office and then go meet up with everybody at Dealer Options. Headlights are ready to ship, and let's go look at the truck. Truck has been washed. The wheels are somewhat shiny again. Yeah, I need to get new tires ASAP. There's a lot of rock chips that I didn't really see, but you know, it's expected. But yeah, let's go head over to the post office and go to Dealer Options. We're live. We're live, baby. It's been a while. D-Max, twinning. Denali.
It's been a while, let's go!
We gotta get Spencer's truck out here.
Hey.
What?
GMC.
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 GMC. What about mine?
GMC.
GMC. What? No.
GMC.
What about the Denali?
It's Nolly.
Nolly.
Nolly gang.
Nolly gang.
Nolly.
HD.
GMC Nolly gang. 1080p high definition. 1080 high definition. All your good movies, high definition TV, 1080p. Get your Duramax Nolly here. 4x4.
I got rid of mine. I peeled mine off.
GMC.
GMC. There you go. Let me know when that truck is done. Yeah, I'm trying to get in the garage.
I don't know how we're gonna order those control arms.
I'm gonna get Cognito, but Bryson said
They're the same.
Kryptonite, he said the quality on the Cognito went down after they got bigger. It doesn't matter what I get.
All I know is Josh Kang said they're the same.
They're the same.
Same way they're assembled.
But if they're cheaper, Kryptonite's a little bit cheaper though.
Is it?
I think so. We gotta find out how much.
$4.99.
We gotta find out whichever one's cheaper. I'll go with whichever one's cheaper.
Alright.
Connor's truck sits a little bit higher than mine. They're both 6-inch lifts. So. I guess I may be going with the Cognito upper control arm instead of Kryptonite. There you go. For those of you who guys are new and don't know about Connor's truck, it's a 2012 Denali HD. Mine's a 2011 Denali HD. Same engine, LML. 2011 is when they changed to LML from LMN. So basically the same truck. Fodies. What's it going on?
Truck.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Truck.
Be patient. Coming soon.
Coming soon.
To you.
Give them a little detail. Come on.
Details. Brand new truck. Getting a brand new lift with brand new tires and brand new wheels.
Okay.
40s.
40s.
26s. Brand new lift. Brand new tires. Brand new truck.
Alright, it's gonna be 2017 Duramax.
18.
2018, 19. Dang, 2019. Are you sure?
Maybe 18.
Alright, 2018 or 19, whatever. We'll find out, I guess.
Truck's here.
Truck's here?
Truck's here.
Huh?
It's a red Chevy.
Where's it at?
Red Chevy.
Oh. Alright, well, it's here. So,
Take a gander.
7 to 9 Cognito or 10 to 12?
10, 12.
10 to 12 Cognito with 40. Oh, dang, he just left it here? There it is. I don't think I can zoom in though. That's the one.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. 26 by what? 16?
14.
14. That's it?
I don't know.
26 by 14.
If these are 1550s, it's... Yeah, 14.
26 by 14. And then they're made by, who are they made by?
RBP.
RBP. RBP. That's right. We're just waiting on the wheels and then we're gonna put the lift on it. One more time. There you go.
There you go, on your truck.
Yep.
I mean JW, nobody knows your real name.
My real name. And they got the control arms here already, so I'll be dropping it off maybe tomorrow, but it's gonna get done within the next week or two, and then I may get new tires. All right, so we pulled the trigger, and I've been hearing that gunshot for the past 2 hours. It's making me kind of anxious. So we pulled the trigger, and we ordered the Cognito upper control arm. They should get installed, I think, in about a week or two, so stay tuned for that. And I think I'm gonna keep the forces for now and just get some new tires, and maybe after winter time or maybe even Christmas time I might get 22 by 14 Anthems. So gonna keep the forces just for now. I think I'm not, don't quote me on it, because I said I wasn't gonna get a new truck, but I did. So I'm gonna try to keep the forces and then go 14 wides maybe Christmas time or after Christmas time. But yep, stay tuned for next video, doing the upper control arms and then lift pump, and then I'm gonna start ordering like headlights and all that stuff. Richard stopped by just to say hey, we're gonna work on some truck stuff tonight, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.